welcome back to my time. Today we're going to be doing another cooking video from the series Just Add Magic. Today's recipe we're going to be doing is single serving cinnamon brownie bites, and Just Add Magic is still one of my favorite shows and I can't wait to do it, and this sounds really delicious. Let's start baking. Here are the ingredients you're gonna use for this recipe. And remember, kids, you always need to ask a grown-up for help with all these recipes, because you're gonna need to use like the oven, you're gonna need to use like eggs, and like kids can't reach them. So remember, ask your parents for help. First, you're gonna need half a cup of flour. Next, 1 cup of sugar. Half a teaspoon of Cedronian cinnamon. Half a cup of Galifrasian cocoa powder. 2 eggs. 1 stick of melted butter. 1/4 teaspoon of Lapis pink salt. 1 teaspoon of Livonian vanilla. You'll also need a bowl, a small pan, and something to mix with. And remember, guys, you also don't need like Livonian vanilla, because that's not a thing. It's just regular vanilla, so you use like regular vanilla for the recipe, or cinnamon or pink salt. First, you're going to need to ask your parents to heat your oven to 350 degrees. In a bowl, mix melted butter, cocoa powder, and sugar. Here's the melted butter. Let's add the cocoa powder now. And the sugar. Wow, that's a lot of sugar. Almost looks like snow. Now mix it with your mixing stuff you have. So, my favorite part about this show is probably at the end where like Kelly kind of turns bad. I kind of like that because it's like a mystery, and it's a mystery for us watching. And I thought that was like really cool, that like how they made like whipped, like worst party ever whipped cream, I think it was called. That looked delicious when they made it. But you guys have to find out and watch the episodes to find out what happens to Kelly when she turns bad. Next, add 2 eggs and stir it. So here are the 2 eggs. And remember, I just forgot, remember to roll up your sleeves. Okay? So we are going to crack the egg, and the easiest way to crack the egg is to like hit the counter or like table or the bowl, whatever you're cooking on. Hit it a few times and then it should crack. So let's start mixing. And in Just Add Magic, where they made these brownies, there was Darby wanted to spend more time with her dad. So Kelly and Hannah cooked a recipe called single serving cinnamon brownie bites to help Darby spend more time with her dad. And they went to like the movie theaters, and they had a private screening. And then they went to this restaurant called Mama P's, which is in Just Add Magic. If you guys haven't seen it, you guys have to go check it out, because it's an amazing show. And if I were one of the characters, I think I would be... this is a hard choice. I think I would be Kelly. I love love Kelly's hair, and I love all the characters' hair. And I love like their clothes and how cute their clothes are. And what character would you guys be? These look really good. Like, you see that? That looks super good. And it smells amazing. Let's keep mixing and mixing. And you guys, if you don't know what spoon I'm using a Just Add Magic spoon I got with my cookbook and stuff. And I got this all for my birthday because right like before my birthday, I discovered the show and I loved it. I was obsessed with it. And I'm still obsessed with it now. I watch it like before I go to bed or like in the morning before I go to school when I'm eating breakfast. And it's a really good and cute show. Next, you're gonna add in your flour, cinnamon, and salt. Let's add in the flour, cinnamon, and salt. But we are going to, here's the salt. Go on. Okay, let's keep on mixing. And you guys, do not mix fast because then it'll go all over the place and your parents will probably be mad. So that's why you're gonna have a parent to tell you what you're gonna do. This is looking really good. It's almost like making slime. Like if you ever make slime before, it's almost like making like brownie slime. This smells delicious. Next, and then right now you're gonna add in the Livonian vanilla, which is just regular vanilla. Go on, go on. It looks like Coke, guys. There. Okay. So, what's your guys' favorite characters from Just Add Magic? Mine are Hannah, Kelly, and Darby for sure. I also like Mama P, Miss Silvers, and Kelly's grandma, which I forgot her name. But if you guys know her name, you guys have to tell me it because I forgot. This looks really good. Like if you guys can see it, that looks so good. Next, you're gonna take your almost brownies and pour them into your pan right here and let it bake to 20 minutes to 25 minutes. And I'll be back to show you what it looks like when it's done. I can't wait to see. So the brownies are done, and this is how they look. They look super delicious, and they smell really, really good. And they smelled even better when we were making them. Let's cut them and see how they taste. I'm so excited. So here's my brownie I'm going to eat. I'm going to give 3, 2, 1. These are delicious. You have to make these and try them. They are the most delicious brownies I think I've ever tasted. No, I've tasted good brownies, but I think this is one of the greatest ones I've tasted. These are delicious. I love them so much. They're soft, they're chewy, they're so chocolatey. Oh! Oh no, I'll have to pick those up. These are delicious. You guys have to make them. So they were really good brownies. I love them. And I'll post the recipe in the video at the end so you guys can see it. You guys have to make these. They tasted really good. Make sure to like and subscribe and share this video with your family and friends, and I'll see you next time. Bye! If you all liked the cooking video I did, today's recipe we're doing is single serving cinnamon brownie bites. This is gonna sound. We're going to be doing another cooking video since you all liked the first one I did. Today's cooking video we're doing. No! I'm not ready yet. Stop! You guys, I just grew eyeballs. Now I can only see white. Oh no! Guys, I'm gonna smash my eyeball. I hate you, eyeball! I'm just repeating myself. I need to get my eye, and I know, and I know. Oh man, I protect the paint, and I accidentally took the same color off my skin tone. I'm a little cheetah. I took the spoon and I ate it. Amazing. I'm doing more dishes for her. I'm such a good child.